Hello my friends! I hope you're feeling amazing and I hope mostly that you tried predicting that new result yourself, and if you did, I'm sure you succeeded, and if not, that's okay because we're now about to succeed together. Alright, so let's do this. Let's create a new code cell here to make that prediction. And so now, with what we did previously with the SVR, it's going to seem so simple because indeed, in order to make that prediction, since there was no feature scaling needed for decision tree regression, well, we just have to take our regressor from which we just need to call the predict method. And then inside, what do we have to input? Well, no transform method, of course, because there was no feature scaling, but only that observation 6.5 for which we would like to have the corresponding salary. And then remember how we need to format that single position level of 6.5. We have to put it, of course, in a 2D array by adding here a double pair of square brackets, inside which you will put your observation 6.5. All right? As simple as that. And now, well, the exercise is done. We're ready to get this prediction, this predicted salary of the position level 6.5. So let's see what our decision tree regression model returns compared to not only the previous predictions of our other regression models, but also, compared to what this person mentioned to earn in this previous company. All right, so let's execute the cell, and the predicted salary of the decision tree regression model for our specific case study is $150,000. So before we make any comment on this, because if we really stick to the scenario of our case study, well, this prediction would actually be bad because it would be lower than the requested salary of this employee. And therefore that would not be good. But let's not comment on this because then you'll see, as I told you, that the visualization of the decision tree regression results will not be pretty, and that's because, as I told you at the beginning of this section, the decision tree regression model is clearly not the best model to use on a single feature dataset, right? It is more adapted to datasets with many features, a high dimensional dataset. And that's totally fine because the code we are implementing here can be very easily used on other datasets with other features. That's what I explained in the first tutorial of this section with, the only one or two changes to make in the data preprocessing phase. But I still want to show you the visualization results because we can only do this in 2D. That's why I chose this simple dataset. It's in order to show you at the end what the regression curve looks like for each of the regression models. And so we're going to still visualize that for the decision tree regression model, but you will see that it will be clearly not well adapted. All right, so congratulations for that prediction. And now, in the final tutorial of this section, we will plot the decision tree regression curve in high resolution to see what it looks like. And until then, enjoy machine learning.